Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Mohammed Yusuf. I welcome you to my YouTube channel YOUSUF SOLVES. I am here to solve some key questions of financial management course. These questions generally form part of post-graduation or master's degree program. If you are new to my channel, please do check my previous videos. I request you to please like, subscribe and share it with your fellow students who are taking relevant courses of financial management. Also, if you have any query or question which you want me to solve and make video for, please drop me a comment on the below so that I can try to support you. You can also send me an email to my email address which is given in the description. Without any further discussion, let's jump directly to the question and solution. Part A and B of this question we have already solved, and today we will be solving part 3. So for the following are the exercise in the present values. C, $100 is received at the end of 1 year, $500 at the end of 2 years, and $1000 at the end of 3 years. What is the aggregate present value of these receipts, assuming a discount rate of 4% and 25%? So let's jot down data first. At year 1, my present value is going to be $100. Year 2, PV is going to be $500, and at year 3, PV is going to be $1000. So number of year here is 1 year, number of year here is 2 years, year n is 3 years. Okay, so in first case we have to assume interest rate equals to 4%. Okay, so we'll be using the same present value formula. PV equals to fair value 1 plus I power minus n, adding data. I'm sorry, this is not a PV, this is a future value. PV equals to 100 for the first year, 1 plus 4% power minus 1. PV equals to 100. Once we solve this will become 0.9615. PV equals to $96.154. This is for first year payment. Second year payment, which is 500. So PV equals to future value 1 plus I power minus n. PV equals to 500, 1 plus 4% minus 2. PV equals to 500. Then this, if I solve this equation, it will become 0.924 approximately. So PV will become $462.28. So third year, where my PV equals to fair value 1 plus I minus n, PV equals to 1000, 1 plus 4% minus 3, PV equals to, if I solve this equation, this will become approximately 1000 divided by 0.889. PV equals to $889. So the aggregate PV is going to be, so this is my A, this is my B, this is my C. So the aggregate PV will be A plus B plus C, which is going to be PV equals to approximately $1447 at the rate of 4%. Let's move to second part of the question where we are saying interest rate is going to be 25%. So my fair value at year 1, year 2, year 3. Year 1 fair value is $100. Year 2 fair value is $500. Year 3 fair value is $1000. Definitely the n become 1, n became 2, n became 3. However, I is 25%. So let's solve this with different colors so that we know this is the second part. So year 1 is PV equals to fair value 1 plus I power minus n. PV equals to 100. 1 plus 25% minus 1. If we solve this equation, this will become PV equals to 100. 0.80. PV equals to $80. At year 2, PV equals to fair value 1 plus I power minus n. PV equals to 500. 1 plus 25% minus 2. PV equals to 500. When I solve this equation, this will become 0.64. So PV will become $320. At year 3, PV equals to fair value 1 plus I minus n. PV equals to 1000. 1 plus 25% minus 3. PV equals to 1000. And when I solve this will become 0.512. So PV equals to $512. So aggregate PV will be, let's call it X, let's call it Y, let's call it Z. So the aggregate PV will be X plus Y plus Z, which will become approximately $912. So let's evaluate both the answers in a deep manner. So where I is my let's say where I is equals to 4%, where I equals to 25%. Fair value year 1 is 100. Year 2 is not fair value, future value, 500. Year 3 is 1000. And for year 1, year 2, year 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Aggregate present value, here it came as 1447, and here aggregate present value is 912. 1447 $912. This thing is again demonstrated here. This rule which says that if my interest rate, if my I is higher, this will result in my PV being lower. This can be demonstrated where my interest rate was 25%, my PV was 912, and where I say if my I is lower, then my PV will be higher. This can be demonstrated by where my I was 4%, my PV was $1447. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.